Unfortunately, we can have eye problems regardless of the precautions that we take. When this happens, we need to know how to deal with them, whether they are simple cases of tired eyes or serious accidents. As we have seen, eye strain can cause many nagging problems that can affect us both physically and mentally. Workers who deal with long stretches of close-up activity often report temporary blurring of their vision. What has happened is that their eyes have gotten used to focusing on the extreme close-up distances and are slow to return to their normal positions. To combat this problem, focus on something a good distance away for 3 or 4 minutes. Repeating this exercise once an hour every day will help to prevent future eye strain. Here's an eye problem that everyone is familiar with: a small particle of dust or dirt becoming trapped within the eye. Do not rub the area. Instead, dislodge the material by pulling the eyelid out and down. Use a cotton swab or the corner of a handkerchief to gently remove the particle from your eye, then rinse the area under running water. If a particle becomes embedded within the eye, do not attempt to remove it. Instead, bandage the eye loosely and see a doctor immediately. Chemical splashes, both gaseous and liquid, can cause trouble for our eyes at work and at home. For instance, only a few seconds of exposure to many spray cleansers can cause severe burns. If a hazardous chemical splashes into your eyes, get to the nearest available water source. Running water will dilute and eventually wash away many substances, so it's important to know where the closest sources of water are located before an accident occurs. Carefully flood the injured eye with water, holding the eye open. Try to keep the flow from entering the uninjured eye. Keep the water running for at least 15 minutes. Then get medical attention immediately. As we have said, light itself can damage the eye. It can come from welding torches, lasers, even the sun. Infrared and ultraviolet radiation, as well as intense visible light, can burn the cornea or cause changes in other parts of the eye. The effects of radiation burns do not become apparent until 6 to 12 hours after exposure. Symptoms include blurred vision, the feeling of sand in the eye, pain, and unusual sensitivity to light. If you experience any of these, keep your eyes closed and call your doctor. Burns to the cornea will usually heal in a few days' time. However, severe burns to the retina, such as those that occur from looking directly into the sun, do not heal and can cause permanent loss of vision.